Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay Roberts and this is my channel Make Money with Video. Now, despite the title, I also make videos of how to make money with printables and KDP books, guys. So if you're new here, welcome, and feel free to check out some of these videos. I upload as often as I can, pretty much daily. But today we're going to look at how to make money on Etsy. Yeah, so if you're a complete beginner, this is going to be a good video for you. Now, I'm new to this game. Like I said, I'll usually upload videos how to create videos and make money with videos, but I've just started doing Etsy and Amazon KDP. So let's look at it. Yeah, so this is my account. Yeah, so today you can see I've made £5.24. Yeah, so the last 7 days I've made £10.10. I've had 4 sales in the last 7 days, but all time, yeah, I've only been doing it a couple of months. I've made £21.27 with 10 orders. Yeah, now you're probably thinking that's not much, but I am new to this, guys. But I'm going to show you how you can do it as well, and it's simple. I'm going to show you 2 different ways. Yeah, so you can go over to Canva if you. You can go over to Canva and you can create your own listings, like your own games like this. Yeah, so you start off with what I do. I put like a background and then I put like a game in between. So it could be a maze, it could be like hangman, coloring thing. Yeah, or you can do these what I've made. So you just put the letter in and you put a different picture there. So you can have a Christmas theme and do like the alphabet, or you can do like any Valentine. You can do Thanksgiving, you name it, guys. All you have to do is change the picture and then whatever it's called. You download them, or you can make them this small. But if you can't be bothered making these, or you're not very creative, I mean, I'm not. That's why they're just plain colours. I use this, and it's called Crispy Prints, yeah? And it's basically, in the app, it shows you how to, like, Etsy guides, and it shows you Pinterest guides, yeah? If you want to do your own e-com site, it shows you that. But all you do, guys, is come over here and look. It's got all these shell bundles. It's got busy book bundles, dice prints, flag banners, S-tail banners, road trip bundles, Xmas bundles. Yeah. And then what you do, you come over here and say, for instance, we'll just show you a quick one. Yeah. I'll just. Yeah, so if you look, sorry, let's go back. Here, it shares, you can download the template, yeah? So the template is this now, is this bit here. And all I do, guys, is I just add another page like that. But then I come over here to elements, and I do this. I line it up like that. Just simple like that. Oh, 1 minute, let's get it on there. It's not a bit perfect, but it looks better if it is, yeah. So I'll just copy it, come over to here, paste it. Come off that. Change. You can change the background. You can put you can come over here and upload your own photos, your own. It's like this here. Yeah? You can go over here and you can make it like that. And what I'll do here, I'm just going to change that to white. Yeah, so you can do any photos. Yeah, like this one here. Go over there like that, changes it. Yeah, you can have it. You can just have it plain colours if you want, like a green background, a red background, or something like that. Yeah, and I'm just going to download this. No, 1 minute. Let's delete this. So you can put a character here. So, for instance, let's say this gnome here. Well, no, there's 3 of them. I don't want them 3. Let's say the bells. Yeah. Let's just put it inside the actual box. Yeah. And all you do, I'm just copying it. Now, I'm rushing this. You would take your time, yeah? I'll just move it. Yeah, so that's it. And then I download that, page 2, yeah? Now, you can do these you can change different colours, different image backgrounds, yeah? And then what you do, you go back over to here. And it says, click on an image, yeah? So what I was doing is clicking that, open that, and there's your image. Now we can change the writing if we want, but for this, we'll just keep it that colour, black for now, yeah? And then you can choose these different games. got all these different games here, right? But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to pick one, yeah? So I'll just pick, let's pick the first one, yeah? And then I'll just say create bundle. Now, while it's doing that, I'm going to show you another one, another way, yeah? This, let me just get to the top, is a product called the Christmas Present. Now, it's got colouring books, learning books, letters to Santa, Christmas games, journals, social media posts, articles, blog posts, and extras, yeah? Oh, 1 minute, here's that game, it's already uploaded. So here's your Christmas word scramble, yeah? It's got all these different, it's printed out for you. There's your picture, what we added. And that is it, guys. That is it. You just download it then and upload it to Etsy. But, like I said, if you come over here and you click on all these, it will print out 14 games for you. And that's how quick it is, yeah? So I'll leave the link for this in the description. Another thing you can do, guys, is let me just unselect them all. Let's go back to that game, Christmas World Scramble. If you type in here, sample, yeah, and then create, yeah, it's going to make another one for us. But yeah, going back to this, the Christmas Present, yeah, it's got already these books already made for you, so you can upload these to Amazon KDP, yeah, and these are a bit of description, but we're not looking at the books today, all the articles, social media posts, or blog posts. Oh, here we are, guys. So look, it's got sample over here. So these you can download, and you can upload these to Etsy and upload these to Pinterest, and then people can't steal them, yeah, because nobody wants that on the game, do they? So you upload these ones, yeah, and then the original ones, what you first create, is what you give them when they buy it, yeah. So that's your first option. Going back to this, inside this bundle, you get 25 Christmas games already for you. So you got all these different word search games, yeah. You got this bingo, which is very popular. You got your advent calendar. You got your all these different ones, elf reports and that. You got emoji games are very popular. You got all these different games in here. You've got these 5 different games in here, like your scavenger hunt, your finish my phrase and that. Then in this one, you've got Christmas Jeopardy, which is very popular as well. It's one of my best sellers, this. So you got all these games, guys, which you can quickly, all you can do is upload them to Etsy, and you've got 25 items listed on your shop. But not only that, guys, you can upload these as a bundle, yeah, like I've done. I've uploaded them as a bundle, so you can sell them as a bundle, or you can sell them individually, yeah. So you've got like 5 different items, then you've got a bundle, so it gives you 6 different chances of someone buying. Same with all these, you can bundle them all up together if you want, yeah. So like I said, you get 25 games, you get all these social media posts, yeah, you get articles, social media posts, and blog posts. You get all these different books, yeah. So you can make money on Amazon, you can make money on your Etsy, and then you also get these 2 learning books and these 2 like planner notebooks kind of things as well. You also get these extra printable sheets, so you can also upload to Etsy and sell. You can sell these individually, and you get I'm not sure how many you get with this. You get quite a few anyway, yeah. You get these videos, what you can sell. So this is basically what you're getting. You're getting 10 colouring books, yeah. You're getting 25 Christmas games. You're getting 61 Christmas social media posts. You can also bundle them up and sell them on Etsy as well. You're getting 25 mixed articles, 5 Christmas blog posts, never been uploaded or anything, 2 learning books, two writing books, and 20 extras, which the extras are the printables, what you can print off to Etsy. And it's just for $37, guys. Normally it's $67, but you can get all this already done for you, yeah? And then you can upload them to Etsy, you can upload them to Amazon, you can sell them on your own website, sell them on your Facebook, whatever, guys. Or you can even just print them off and give them as a present to people, yeah? So your first option, you got this crispy print, which is very good, very quick, very easy to do, yeah? You're just uploading that and you get 14 games, yeah? Or you've got the second option where you get this already done for you and you get like lots of different things to sell and bundle up whatsoever, guys. So that is it, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Check out the review of the Christmas Present, which I've just shown you a little bit of it. This is probably a better version, more in depth. Now I've got other videos as well about how to make other party games and for preschools and families, etc. road trip games, how to do them, that guys. So come and check it out and let us know in the comments if there's anything you want me to make a video about. And until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.